Imagine meeting your child 20 years from now. Will they be confident enough to lead, strong enough to face failure, disciplined enough to resist temptation, kind enough to earn respect? Or will they struggle with responsibility, confidence, and direction? The truth is, the future of your child is not decided by luck, talent, or expensive schools. It's shaped by the habits they learn today. The first few years of life are where character is built, discipline takes root, and leadership begins to grow. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 powerful habits that every child should learn early. Habits that can help them become confident, disciplined, resilient, and capable of leading themselves and others. If you're a parent, grandparent, teacher, or someone who dreams of raising strong, responsible children, this video could change the way you think about parenting forever. Imagine 2 children. Both are intelligent. Both have loving parents. Both grow up in the same neighborhood. But 20 years later, one becomes confident, disciplined, respected, a natural leader. The other struggles with responsibility, avoids challenges, and constantly looks for someone else to guide their life. What created the difference? It wasn't talent. It wasn't luck. It was the habits they learned as children. Because leadership doesn't begin in adulthood. It begins in childhood. And today, we'll explore the 7 habits that help turn ordinary children into extraordinary leaders. Habit 1. Teach responsibility early. Many parents do everything for their children. They clean up their messes, solve all their problems, protect them from every difficulty. But responsibility is like a muscle. If a child never uses it, it never grows. Give children age-appropriate responsibilities. Making their bed, organizing their room, taking care of a pet. Small responsibilities today become leadership skills tomorrow. Habit 2. Let them experience consequences. One of the biggest mistakes parents make is rescuing children from every mistake. If children never experience consequences, they never learn accountability. A forgotten homework assignment, a poor decision, a missed opportunity. These moments teach valuable lessons. Leadership grows when children learn that actions have consequences. Habit 3. Teach delayed gratification. Leaders learn to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. Teach children that not every desire needs immediate satisfaction. Saving money, completing work before play, practicing before rewards. The ability to delay gratification is one of the strongest predictors of future success. Habit 4. Encourage problem solving. When children bring problems, don't immediately provide answers. Ask questions. What do you think we should do? How would you solve it? This develops confidence. Leaders are problem solvers, not problem avoiders. Habit 5. Build discipline through habits. Discipline isn't punishment, it's consistency. Regular reading, exercise, daily routines. Small habits repeated every day create strong character. Children who learn consistency early develop self-control that lasts a lifetime. Habit 6. Teach courage, not comfort. The world doesn't reward comfort. It rewards courage. Encourage children to try difficult things. Speak in public. Join activities. Meet new people. Fail. Learn. Grow. Every challenge builds confidence. Habit 7. Lead by example. Children rarely become what we tell them to become. They become what they see. If parents want disciplined children, they must model discipline. If parents want leaders, they must demonstrate leadership. Children watch everything. Your actions teach more than your words ever will.
So, one day, your child will leave your home. And when that day comes, the question won't be, did I make life easy for them? The question will be, did I prepare them for life? Because your goal is not to raise a child. Your goal is to raise an adult, a person who can think, lead, serve, and stand strong when life becomes difficult. The habits you teach today may shape the person they become tomorrow, and there is no greater investment than that.
If this video inspired you or gave you something to think about, please take a moment to support our mission. Like this video so more parents can discover these timeless lessons. Share in the comments, which habit do you think is the most important for raising a strong and successful child? And if you know a parent, grandparent, teacher, or someone who cares deeply about the next generation, share this video with them.